Right, hello everyone. Going to do a short follow-up video here on the Vortex ECU and the Yoshimura pipe that we installed on the 450L and the 450RL. The 450L machine really had no issues at all, but the RL had a few interesting things happen when we started it up. So I'm going to go over that, talk about that a little bit, and also talk about some of the settings that we're using and some things we're going to be trying. So here it comes, and hope you enjoy. All right, so this is the 2021 CRF 450RL, and we recently installed the Vortex ECU and the Yoshimura RS4 pipe, and you can see our other video for more details on that. But we had a few interesting things happen when we first started it up. It was really cold here, and we pulled out the fast idle knob, started it up. It took a bit to start, but once it got going, we let it idle for probably 2 or 3 minutes, and we had the fast idle knob pulled out the whole time, which in retrospect maybe wasn't a good idea. I noticed that after about 3 minutes, the head pipe started glowing red from probably here all the way down to the turn. And you can even see still on the pipe there's some discolorations. Started glowing red, super hot. So kind of got freaked out, turned it off, and went to do some little research. Checked out John Young's website, Champion Adventures, their site. After talking to some people and doing some research, kind of thought maybe it was running too lean, hence the hot pipe, and then also running it too long with the fast idle knob pulled out. Maybe those two factors caused it to heat up a bit too much. So we changed the settings. We originally had the ECU settings on the stock, map 1, and then the low, mid, and high were on 555. So we changed that to map 4, and then low, mid, and high to 5, 6, and 7. And that richened it up a little bit. And we tried it again, started it up, let it idle without the fast idle knob on, and have ridden it several times since then with really no issues. So I'm probably gonna try to lean it back out a little bit, because with the richer settings on the Vortex, the gas mileage is definitely not as good. We have the 450L here with the same exact install, same pipe, same ECU, and we left it on the factory settings of map 1 and 555 for the low, mid, and high. And we've ridden these bikes together several times since then, and definitely the L is getting better gas mileage because it's not running as rich. So I'm going to try to change the RL back to 555, maybe try map 1 and see if we have any issues or not, see if it's still running too lean. And then also we'll pull the spark plug, check it, look and see if it's too dark or too light. See, that'll tell us a lot about how it's running also. So other than the pipe getting too hot, we really didn't have any other problems with the installation. Really love the power, the smoothness, the sound. I highly recommend this setup for your CRF 450L or RL. It changes the way the bike feels dramatically. You no longer have the twitchy throttle at low speeds. It is smooth when you're going slow, a lot more power, it's lighter, and it really makes a big difference. I highly recommend this setup. Would be interested to see if anyone else had issues like this with the pipe turning red, getting hot, what your Vortex settings are. Would like to hear your your settings, your stories. So let me know in the comments if you have any input. Would love to hear from you guys.